Hey guys, it's Amira. I changed the voice. Tell me if you like this better. Why do people not know that a hot take is an opinion? You don't have to agree, it's an opinion. That's why it's called an opinion, not a fact. And if you don't like it, you can scroll or dislike or something. You don't have to stay. You have free will to scroll it. Why was there such a long pause? Anyway, you don't have to stay and bully the person because of one thing. And bullying can eventually lead to suicidal thoughts. Which is bad, because that person has so many people who love them.
And you're gonna ruin people's lives over one thing.
What kind of sick person would do that? Oh, wait. A random person on the internet would. Please, stop bullying. Those innocent souls who did suicide are gone. Be curious of those people. Think about it for a second. Really think about those souls. Think about why they did it. Think about who's responsible for it. I hate my generation. Bye, guys.